Hey everyone, welcome back to Azeem USA. If you're into AI video creation, then buckle up because what I'm about to share with you today is massive. Kling 3.0 is coming, and it's about to completely change the game for AI filmmakers, content creators, and anyone who's been waiting for that next level breakthrough in video generation. I'm talking native 4K output, 15-second clips with insane consistency, and a unified workflow that basically turns you into an AI director. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far. Alright, so here's the situation. Higgsfield has just announced that Kling 3.0 is dropping soon, and the AI video community is absolutely buzzing right now. But before we get into what makes Kling 3.0 so special, let me quickly break down where we're coming from. Right now, we have Kling 2.6 as the latest available model on Higgsfield. It's already impressive. You can generate videos up to 10 seconds long at 1080p resolution. The visual realism is stunning, and it handles motion pretty well for short clips. It's been great for quick experiments, social media content, and visual demos. But here's the thing. Kling 2.6 has limitations. When scenes get complex, motion consistency starts breaking down. You might notice characters changing slightly between frames or physics getting a bit wonky. And that 1080p cap, it's fine for social media, but if you're thinking about professional production or cinema quality work, you need more. That's where Kling 3.0 comes in. This isn't just an incremental update. According to what Higgsfield and the community are discussing, this is a complete paradigm shift. We're entering what they're calling the era of the AI director. Let's break down the major features that have everyone excited. First up, and this is huge, native 4K at 60 frames per second. Kling 2.6 maxes out at 1080p, but Kling 3.0 is going straight to ultra-high definition 4K with buttery smooth 60 FPS. This is production-ready quality we're talking about. If you've been waiting to use AI video for actual client work, commercials, or professional projects, this is the breakthrough moment. What makes this even better is that it's native 4K. That means the model is generating at this resolution from the ground up, not just upscaling. You're getting crispy details, sharper textures, and that cinema-grade polish right out of the gate. Next, clip length. Kling 2.6 gives you up to 10 seconds, which is already pretty good. But Kling 3.0 is pushing that to around 15 seconds while maintaining character consistency and scene stability throughout the entire duration. Now, 15 seconds might not sound like a massive jump, but in AI video terms, this is massive. Why? Because the longer the clip, the harder it is to maintain consistency. Characters need to stay looking like themselves. Physics needs to work correctly. Lighting needs to be coherent. The fact that Kling 3.0 can handle this extended duration while improving quality is incredible. And here's where it gets even better. Some early signals suggest we might see clips pushing toward 30 to even 60 seconds in future iterations. Imagine generating a full minute of coherent, high-quality AI video in one go. That's where we're headed. Now let's talk about Kling 3.0 Omni, which is probably the most exciting part of this whole announcement. Omni represents a completely unified creative workflow. What does that mean? Instead of having separate models for different tasks, one for video generation, another for audio, another for image consistency, Kling 3.0 Omni brings everything together into one seamless system. Better context understanding, better continuity between shots, and smarter decision-making across entire scenes. Think of it like this. You're not just generating random video clips anymore. You're building sequences with narrative flow, camera transitions, and shot-reverse-shot dialogue patterns that happen automatically. It's like having a virtual cinematographer working alongside you. This brings us to one of the killer features, multi-shot storyboarding. Kling 3.0 is expected to support custom multi-shot sequences with strong continuity between shots. Here's the use case. Let's say you want to create a short film scene. You need a wide establishing shot, then a medium shot of your character, then a close-up reaction shot, and finally a reverse angle. In Kling 2.6, you'd have to generate each of these separately and hope they match. But with Kling 3.0's multi-shot system, you can set up your entire sequence in a storyboard format, and the AI generates all the shots with consistent characters, lighting, and scene continuity. According to community discussions on Higgsfield's blog, this multi-shot capability is expected to be among the strongest on the market. We're talking shot-to-shot coherence that rivals professional filmmaking. Audio is another massive upgrade. Kling 2.6 introduced native audio integration, but Kling 3.0 takes it further with character-specific voice referencing built directly into the video generation process. This means you could potentially create videos where characters have distinct, consistent voices that match their appearance and personality. Dialogue scenes become way more immersive, and you're not stuck with generic text-to-speech anymore. The audio synchronizes with lip movements and emotional expressions naturally. Let's talk about physics. One of the biggest pain points in AI video has always been those weird melting artifacts or unnatural object interactions. You know what I'm talking about. Hands doing weird things, objects clipping through each other, fluid dynamics that just don't look right. Kling 3.0 is reportedly bringing major improvements to physics simulation, better gravity, fluid dynamics, and complex object interactions. This means more believable contact moments. When characters shake hands, hug, or interact with objects, it should actually look correct. They're also focusing on macro shots with crispy details. Close-ups of faces, product shots, textures. All of these should have sharper clarity and cleaner, fine details. And finally, there's Elements 3.0. This is the video reference system that lets you lock in specific characters, props, and even voices across multiple generations. Imagine you create a character you love in one video. With Elements 3.0, you can save that character as a reference and use them consistently across different scenes, different videos, even different projects. Same thing for props, locations, and visual styles. This is absolutely crucial if you're working on any kind of series or ongoing narrative content. So why is all of this such a big deal? Because Kling 3.0 represents a fundamental shift from AI video generation to AI filmmaking. Up until now, most AI video tools have been about creating cool clips for social media or experimentation. They're impressive, but they're not quite professional grade. You couldn't really use them for serious client work, commercials, or narrative storytelling. Kling 3.0 changes that equation. With 4K output, extended duration, multi-shot consistency, and a unified workflow, you can actually start thinking about AI as a legitimate production tool, not just for hobbyists or experimenters, but for actual filmmakers, agencies, and studios. And here's what's really exciting. This is happening through Higgsfield, which means you get access to this cutting-edge technology with free, unlimited generations. Over 15 million creators are already on the platform, and when Kling 3.0 drops, you'll be able to jump in immediately. Now, based on community discussions and early signals, here are some of the additional features and improvements creators are hoping to see in Kling 3.0. Regional inpainting and pixel-level editing, the ability to edit specific parts of a generated video without regenerating everything, better text rendering, AI-generated text within videos that's actually readable and properly formatted, improved camera control, more precise control over camera movements, angles, and transitions, faster generation times, maintaining quality while reducing the time it takes to generate clips, better prompt understanding, more accurate interpretation of complex prompts and creative instructions. Some of these might make it into the initial 3.0 release, others might come in future updates, but the trajectory is clear. AI video is maturing fast. So when is Kling 3.0 actually dropping? According to Higgsfield's official page, it's coming soon, like within days. The waitlist is already live, and as soon as Kling 3.0 is officially published by Kuaishou, it'll be available on Higgsfield with free unlimited access. I'll drop the link to the Kling 3.0 waitlist page in the description below. Definitely get on that if you want to be among the first to test this out. Alright, so that's everything we know about Kling 3.0 so far. This is genuinely one of the most exciting developments in AI video this year, and I can't wait to get my hands on it and start testing. If you're as hyped about this as I am, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my full hands-on tutorial when Kling 3.0 launches. I'll be doing deep dives into every feature, workflow demonstrations, and real-world use cases. Also, if you want to support the channel and help me keep bringing you the latest AI news and tutorials, consider becoming a member, sending a super thanks, or dropping a super chat with your thoughts on Kling 3.0. Your support genuinely makes a huge difference. Drop a comment below and let me know, what are you most excited about with Kling 3.0? Is it the 4K output, the multi-shot storyboarding, the unified workflow? I want to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. This is Azeem USA, and I'll catch you in the next one.